The Juki Flexsolder high-speed selective stamp soldering machine. It's the top choice for reliability while providing the lowest cost of ownership. Built on years of expertise and proven volumetrically and geometrically controlled stamp soldering technology, the S3532 is trusted worldwide by leaders in PCB manufacturing. OEMs or contract manufacturers with medium to high volumes count on the S3532 for environments that must run 24/7 with fast cycle times and close to 100% first pass yield. Whether soldering a single PCB or a matrix, a single solder joint or 500 solder joints, cycle times can be as low as 20 seconds depending on machine configuration. Stamp soldering provides three very distinct advantages compared to other soldering systems. Contour plates in both the fluxing and soldering stations ensure total flatness of the PCB during the process. Built-in tooling to assist in keeping the PCB perfectly flat while also holding components to a precise tolerance required by the manufacturer. And of course, the precise control of the volumetric soldering stamps without the use of any pumps. All of these features result in the highest first pass yield in the industry, and they are distinct to only the Juki selective soldering machines. The entire PCB is fluxed in one fast, simple motion, cleanly and precisely ensuring virtually no wasted flux since there is no overspray. This also means there is very little maintenance or aggressive fluxes eating away at surrounding materials or components in the machinery. If you are using no clean fluxes, it means there will be no cleaning. After the fluxing process, the PCB moves to the preheat station, which can be either a single, multiple, top and/or bottom preheat, and various other types of preheat. Each preheat station temperature and timer is controlled individually for precise profiling control. From the preheat, the PCB moves onto the stamp soldering station where it is again held perfectly flat. The volumetric stamps lift out of the solder pot through the contour plate and finally to the leads. The entire process takes place in a controlled nitrogen atmosphere. Because of the perfectly flat PCB, the precisely controlled flux, and no use of solder pumps, you can be confident that Juki will provide the highest first pass yield in high-speed selective soldering. Operation and programming of the S3532 is as simple as it gets, requiring no CAD, Gerber, images, or other type of file for programming. You must simply input the speed and dwell times for the stamps and preheat. Changeovers are fast and easy because of the mechanical precision design tooling, which is keyed and easy to remove and install. Changeover is typically 10 minutes or less. The S3532 keeps operating costs low because it uses less energy and nitrogen than competitors or the traditional wave process. Rest assured, with Juki, you'll have access to highly skilled service and support teams at multiple global locations. Choose the Flexsolder S3532 when you expect the highest uptime, consistent quality, and the lowest cost of ownership. It's part of Juki's evolution. The best has gotten better.